Hello PHPers, Bruce here, and what I've decided to do is to give you a walkthrough on Canvas of the things we're going to be covering this week. We are going to be picking up where we left off last week with the ERD for Idea Jam. Remember, I asked you as a group to come up with the entity relationship diagram, which I hope you studied in Chapter 6. And we're going to actually create the Idea Jam type database inside of MySQL. And here happens to be mine with all the various tables, category, comment, idea tag. Mine is called liked. Yours is going to be called like, tag, and user, okay? And then inside of there, I'm providing you with a set of SQL that's going to populate the database for you and simulate, data inside of an Idea Jam. And just to show you that document, here it is right here, okay? It's not something that needs to be turned in, but we're going to be going through it, okay? You're going to be going through it, creating the various tables, inserting the data. Here it is all right here. And then what I'm going to have you do, right, I have a series of queries here. And let me just pick up one here. You're going to be writing these. And I'm going to head on over into the PHP-MyAdmin. And I'm going to have you, write these yourself and see what gets returned. Okay? So you're going to have to use the concept of joins to join together table data from these various tables. So back to the shell. Okay, so let's see. Learning outcomes, you can read that yourself. Textbook readings, Chapter 6 and Chapter 7. There's going to be a lot of material in there that's going to seem very foreign and very new. That's good, okay? And again, let's cover joins this week because you also have to be working on your specifications. I have some links here to database joins here and here, and also database indexes, okay? Have a read at database indexes, and you'll see one day when you're asked to develop, a system that needs to be really performant, take a look at this link here, and you'll see and understand why. Actually, it's right here. It's a nice write-up on Stack Overflow, and you'll understand why certain indexes, need to be created in certain ways. Okay, so let me go back to modules. Let's go back to let's see, week 3. And again, I have these turned off right now. Okay, so this is going to be the document which I showed you before to create the tables and insert the data. And then I'm going to have you, create 6 different queries, okay, in PHP-MyAdmin. And then what I want you to do is try to, use your PHP skills to do the same. Again, this one down here, creating the PHP code, shouldn't be really that hard. It's going to return the associative array from the data from the queries up here. You just want to make sure you can code them in PHP because you're going to have them right in your final project for the class. If you have any questions, give me a shout on Slack. I'll see you all on Monday.